everyone, this is Coco from Hoston Alias. Remember last time we have guided you to the old factory of our customer in the lighting industry who has purchased around 150 sets of CNC metal spinning machine from us. As our government is increasing the investment in the lighting industry in Jiangxi province, they expand the business and build a new workshop here. It is located in the optoelectronic industrial zone, which covers an area of 15,000 square meters with around 500 workers. They are making the photovoltaic products, electronic, robotics, and electrical components here. Let's roll. Come after me. Now we are at the site of their new workshop. To be honest, I really like those fabulous buildings. What I'm gonna show you today is called aluminum alloy reflector cup. It is widely used in the LED lights, portable lamp, headlights for the mining and fishing, and etc. From now on, I'm going to show you from the first step to the last. Now follow me. Step 1, we have to make this so-called disc from the aluminum sheet. By the CNC punching pressing machine. Now we come to the most interesting place in the workshop. Step 2, spinning. This is amazing, right? Can you imagine there are total 98 sets of CNC metal spinning machine here? Look at those hard-working machines. They are like the dollar printing machine to make the money for you every single second. Because the raw material they are using is from 80 to 200 millimeter. So all the models they chosen are our light duty single roller WLL-SRS450 and 450. It only takes around 10 seconds to make a single cup. So the output is around 600,000 pieces per day. Associated with the 4-axis manipulator, we can realize the unmanned automatic production. One worker can take care of 12 sets of machines. So in this big workshop, we only need 8 workers to take care of all these machines. It is very easy to operate and program. We can also extend the punching function on our latest model to double the working efficiency. Step 3. They will do the oil cleaning, dust removal, static electricity elimination, and vacuum plating. Because this is classified technology, we cannot go inside to take the video. So we come to the last step, assembling. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information about our products, welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.